This 2017 Ford Transit is brought to you by Alliance Auto. Free powertrain warranty for 6 months or 75k miles with a $100 deductible covers engine, transmission, seals and gasket fluid and filters/diagnostic, transfer case, and differential 1-owner vehicle back-up camera. Keep the miscellaneous equipment installed in van for extra fee. Honda GX160 air compressor with hose $300 to $650, LBS Spitz lift $1, 500, Pullman van equipment/metal shelving $3, 500, extra air tank. Visit us at allianceusauto.com.